Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can enable focus mode in your Windows 11. So keep watching. In this video I will show you a very advanced method to enable focus mode in Windows 11. So friend, first thing first, we are going to talk about what is focus mode. So focus mode will help you to improve your work, and this will give you the handy features to focus on your task, and that will make you more productive and finish your work on your time. So here you can see that this is the Pomodoro technique. You can easily implement it by this focus mode in Windows 11. So let's see how you can enable this focus mode in your Windows 11. So keep watching. So here we are going to close this one, and now we are going to enable focus mode. So friend, first thing first, you simply click on this start button of your Windows 11. So you will get this option, and here we are going to simply search settings. And friend, you can see that here this is the settings section which is available on menu. You simply click on it, and now you can see that this is my dashboard of Windows 11. And here friend, you simply click on this systems which is available on right left hand side, which is here. And now you can see here this is the focus area which is showing over here. You simply click on it, or you can click on this arrow button which is available here. You simply click on it, and here friend, you can see that this is the focus area part is showing. Okay, so what things you can do? So friend, here you can see lots of things are available with the check mark, and here all things, like if you want to see the clock app, so you can see that if you check mark on it, so whenever you start these things, then timer will showing on the screen. This time is going on, and I will show you step by step how you can use it, so you will get the idea about it, right? And here the hide the badges on the task apps, and also hide flashing on task apps, and here turn on not disturb option. Okay, it will give you the handy features. Your notification will not showing, and if you want to get notification that may be very important, then you can manage it. So here you can see that these are the different apps is showing over here. If you want the notification from Microsoft Store, then you can enable and disable. So here you can see that right now I just disable these things, and all things here I'm going to disable. Okay, so all the notification will stop by this way. Okay, and if you want a notification will showing on your screen, then you can simply click on this toggle button, so that will be enabled. So this is the thing. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily enable it. Here friend, you can see that this is the slotting of time. For example, if you want 30 minute, 40 minute or 1 hour, you can simply here you can increase the time like this. Okay, and you can also decrease the time like this. Okay, so 30 minutes is the psychology thing. You can focus on 30 minutes only. That's why this is the default system this software is showing. You simply click on this start focus session. So friend, when you start focus session, then you can see that this timer is on now. Okay, and also this will give you the 5 minutes break when these things will done. Let's see how this app will help you. Okay, for example, right now we are going to open like this. You can see that any window you will open or any software you will open, this application or this focus area is showing on the top. Okay, let's see, we are going to open another software like this. We have, for example, WordPad. Okay, so let's see how this will open. Okay, so you can see that this window is on the top. Okay, if you do anything, any work, this window will on the top. Okay, so that will give you the facility. You can easily track your time, where your time is going on, and you can make a slot of your time so you can finish your work on the time. Okay, so friend, this is the way you can easily start your focus work by this application, which is inbuilt in Windows 11. And friend, this will really help you to make your work productive, and you can easily focus on your work. So friend, I hope this tutorial will help you to activate focus mode in Windows 11. So if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also use Pomodoro techniques by Windows 11. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.